Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and Happy New Year. Today I am making cottage pie. The major difference between cottage pie and shepherd's pie is the beef and the lamb. Cottage pie uses ground beef while shepherd's pie uses ground lamb. First thing to do is to peel your potatoes and dice them into cubes so they can cook evenly. Make sure to clean them properly and transfer them into a pot. Add a teaspoon of salt and water to cover the potatoes so they can cook evenly. Next, we prep our vegetables. Dice your onions, grate your carrots, or you can also dice them if you prefer diced carrots. I prefer grated ones, that's why I did this. Your potatoes are ready, drain them, and you begin to make your mashed potatoes. You can use a masher like this or a ricer. Add 1 stick of melted butter. Add some heavy cream and mix properly. Add some garlic powder, some parsley flakes, and grated Parmesan-romano cheese. Mix everything in with your spatula. Make sure the mashed potatoes consistency is smooth. Then we start to make the filling. Olive oil, chopped onions, chopped garlic. Saute for some minutes so it becomes fragrant. Then add in your ground beef and cook until it's no longer pink, or for 5 to 6 minutes. I am using this so that the beef can be even and it can cook evenly. You add your salt, black pepper, going in with my vegetables, my green peas and my carrots. Cook for a few minutes. I added crushed peppers because I wanted it to have a kick. It's optional. Parsley, some thyme, tomato paste, and 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. 1½ cup of beef broth. Continue to cook until the beef broth reduces, and flour. This will thicken up the sauce. Then you transfer to your baking dish. You can use any baking dish you have available, but I'm using an 8x11 dish here because that's what I have at hand. You spread it out so it's even, so it can cook evenly. Now I am transferring the mashed potatoes and spreading them out with my spatula to cover all the edges and not leave anywhere out. Now I'm using a fork to make grated lines so that when it's baked, it can be crispy on the top. cracking black pepper and adding more cheese to the top. Bake for 25 minutes in a preheated oven at 375 degrees. Now cottage pie is ready. Make sure to leave it to cool down before you dig in so that it does not just spill everywhere. Let it cool down and thicken properly before you cut into it. Thank you so much for watching my video today and to this point. I wish everyone a happy new year and I hope you give this recipe a try. Cottage pie is ready and it's time to dig in. Enjoy!